In this video, I'm gonna guide you how to use YouTube Create app. Let's get started. First, download this app, provide your YouTube account's credentials and login. This app lets you easily edit videos and shorts right from your phone completely free. To start a new project, open the app and tap on the plus button. You can then choose videos or photos from your device gallery and import them into the editing timeline. YouTube Create supports both 16:9 for regular videos and 9:16 for shorts. You can adjust the aspect ratio at any time. Once your clips are in the timeline, you can edit them by dragging the handles to adjust duration or splitting them with the scissors icon. The app also provides a range of tools such as filters, effects, speed adjustments, and audio cleanup for clearer voiceovers. You can add transitions between clips, insert new ones. To add music or sound effects, tap the sound option to access the YouTube audio library, offering copyright-safe tracks or upload your own music. The Find Beats feature helps you sync your clips with your chosen audio. You can also record voiceovers by tapping voiceover and adjusting the audio in the timeline. Features like picture-in-picture, text, stickers, and captions help elevate your content, making it more engaging and accessible. Once you have finished editing, tap the three-dot menu and select Export to choose your video quality and download it. You can then upload it directly to YouTube. Your projects are saved in the app, allowing for easy access to edit or share later. And that's it. This guide was helpful. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.